Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? What is the difference between landing page and home page? What's the main difference? The main difference is on a home page of a website, you got lots of call to action. You got the navigation bar at the top. You may have different description of different services and lots going on. A landing page is just purely for one offer or one product. That's it. You don't have any navigation at the top to confuse or leak away the visitors, and they might start clicking here, there, and everywhere, and then they forgot why did they come to you in the first place. You want to cage in your audience in that landing page, and so that they just focus on that one call to action only, be it sign up, buy now, or watch the video, or whatever it may be. So tomorrow I'm going to go into a lot more details on it.